love is what it made to me. And bravery, see it's modern slavery. 9 to 5, grind and strive, fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this and doing that, and turn around and scold you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick. That's what I be really thinking. Yes sir, no sir, that's what I be really speaking. Cause even though this job pissed me off, obviously what make a nigga piss more is living poverty. Obviously I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk. Smiling even though it hurt and see my boss a fucking jerk. They call it a paycheck, it's really disrespect. That shit's so low I can't afford to call collect. And that's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. I see them laughing as they passing and harass me colder. Cause see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap. Cause that just turning some circuits like I'm an acrobat. And my coworkers are nosy and I don't miss it hardly. Can you do a rap at our job Christmas party? Hell no, you ain't shit offended you would ask me to. Don't get it twisted that I'm working here cause I'm just passing through. But they don't believe me cause I've been here for years working. And so it's seeming it's dreaming the rapping ain't working. On the professional level it's so objectional shovel I'm doing dirt with, so every day I work shit. I'm steady slaving, behaving just like I'm Roots Tobin. I feel dejected, rejected, sit on my stoop slowly. And it's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Hey, slaving night, works days, works night, slaving day, slaving night.
My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you caught me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable. Oh, how the feels. Oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, how that feels. Each time your gaze meets mine, get all a flutter, feeling butterfly. Shot to the heart with all of Cupid's arrows. I'm flying higher with my own Romeo. Oh, how the feels. Oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, how that feels. Emotions flood like the ocean. Oh,
I can see birds flying. I see children smiling. When I think about all of the things that you and me could be, I want to be with you both day and night, to sit on the grass beneath the moonlight. I know that life won't last forever, but at least we can grow old together. I can see the sunrise reflecting in your eyes. When I think about all of the things that you and me could be, I want to be with you both day and night, sit on the grass beneath the moonlight. I know that life won't last forever, but at least we can grow old together.